Hello everyone, I am Mayuri Bhattakur, an alumni of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, batch 2016. I joined the beautiful campus of USTM in 2014 to pursue my MSc in Zoology. Our university provides high-class education. It is not just a university, it is an experience actually. Our teachers are highly qualified. Also, they are very friendly and inspires a lot to participate in extracurricular activities. Also, our university provide various extracurricular events, organize various extracurricular events such like NEGC, various cultural program, sports week, then university week. Various national level workshops and seminars are also organized by our university. We are blessed to have a central library and the largest auditorium among Northeast, and also we have well equipped laboratory facility to carry out our experiments. I would like to thank all the teachers of our zoology department, Bhaktiyar sir, Rizal sir, Arup sir, DK Sharma sir, Sebal Sengupta sir, Alaika ma'am, Wadas ma'am, Maushumi ma'am, Bulbul ma'am, LS sir, for their continuous efforts, continuous guidance, support and love during my MSc period. And our chancellor sir, Dr. Mahbubul Haq sir, he provided various scholarship and fellowships to inspire the students. Suppose a student from our university has qualified any national level examination, for example UPSC, SSC or APSC, NET, SLET, then he will be refunded all the fees to that particular student. So it is a great step taken by our chancellor sir, Mahbubul Haq sir, to inspire student. And I would like to share some token of love given by our university, that is with me. These are memories of USTM actually. So this was given by our university in the last day of our farewell time. So these are some memories of our university time. So this is a certificate that was given by our department, because I participate in a science marathon at that time, that was held in Guwahati Engineering College campus. So last but not the least, I would like to thank all the team management of USTM, all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff for their hard efforts, for their support, for their love, without which it could not be possible, because today presently I am working as a subject teacher in a college in our native place, that is presented in Jorhat. So it would not be possible without the support, without the love, without the guidance of our teachers. So thank you all. Thank you so much.